energy out is your basal metabolic rate or your basic metabolic rate or your normal rate. Even when you sleep, your body is burning energy.
Right.
Because the organs have to work, heart has to beat, you are breathing, lungs have to work. Sleep is an active state of mind. A lot of things happening when you are going to sleep, right? 60% of your energy out comes from that activity. ठीक है? Almost 20% is from fidgeting. There is something called as non-exercise activity thermogenesis. जैसे आपने अभी किया, किसी को आदत है, मेरे को पैर हिलाने की आदत है, कोई anything that is non-exercise, all the activity, lot of people like move.
Right.
This is called non-activity exercise, non-exercise activity thermogenesis or NEAT. NEAT results in 20% of your energy out. ठीक है?
Right.
10 to 20% comes from the food you eat. So जब आप प्रोटीन खाते हैं, आपने एक एग खाया, एक एग में 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन है, ठीक है? 1 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन इज इक्वल टू 4 कैलोरीज. तो आपने एक एग खाया तो 24 कैलोरीज है. एनर्जी इन 24 कैलोरी है, लेकिन उस प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए बॉडी हैज टू स्पेंड बिटवीन 20 and 30% ऑफ दैट एफर्ट. सो वो 24 कैलोरी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 70%, विच इज रफली अबाउट 20 कैलोरीज, इज वॉट यू आर गेटिंग. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ थर्मिक इफेक्ट ऑफ फूड. ठीक है? बट प्रोटीन का 20-30% है, कार्ब्स का 4% है.
Oh, अच्छा, that's why people say have more protein.
I will come to that.
अच्छा.
So वो भी है. Exercise is only 10%.
Okay.
So ये पार्ट तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज करके भी इम्पैक्ट 10% आने वाला है. So from a weight loss point of view, this becomes very important, right? And इसमें most, the first, your opening batsman here is total number of calories you are eating.
Got it.
If you want to consistently lose weight, you have to consistently eat less. For that you need to count your calories. So आपको पता होना चाहिए भाई carbohydrate is 1 gram is 4 calories. Fat, I am a lover of ghee.
Yeah.
So 1 gram of fat is 9 calories.
Okay.
Protein 1 gram is 4 calories.
Okay.
Alcohol 1 gram is 7 calories.
Okay.
So अब आप अपना डेली इनटेक देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा आप कितना खा रहे हैं.
Right.
अब सुकृति डिसाइड्स कि अब मेरे को 10% बॉडी वेट कम करना है. Then I start eating less.
Right.
Now what happens is once you start eating less, you drop the weight.
Yeah.
Now your weight is adjusted. Your metabolism is now adjusted to your revised calorie. से पहले आप 2400 कैलोरी खाती थी, अब 2000 खा रही है. वेट कम हो गया.
Yeah.
Now 2000 calories is matching this. If I want to go further down, 2000 also has to come down. What happens is 2400 2000 आया, वेट नीचे आया. I think now at 2000 also I will keep losing weight. You can't. Because your body has adapted to your weight. Now if I want to lose further weight, I have to eat further less.
But like how does metabolism work exactly? मतलब because again इसमें ये थोड़ा सा शायद से I am digressing, but I feel कि it is often said कि as you are growing your metabolism keeps decreasing शायद से. तो but मुझे कभी समझ ही नहीं आता because I feel कि it's related to intake of food. So it's just I never get it.
So this is what we decoded on the right hand side of the equation.
Yeah.
60% जो हम लोग ने बात की,
हाँ.
वो आपकी बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट है.
Right.
So आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हो, तो 60% of the energy that you will burn. So there is something called as a Mueller equation.
Yeah.
So it calculates what your basal metabolic rate is. Then it will calculate अब आपके बॉडी में कितना फैट मास है, कितना मसल मास है. अगर आपका मसल मास ज़्यादा है, your metabolism will be higher.
Got it.
If you have more fat than muscle, so the higher the fat, the lower your metabolism.
Oh, अच्छा.
So two people of same weight, say दो जन के 80 kgs का weight है.
हाँ.
एक का फैट परसेंटेज 20 है, एक का फैट परसेंटेज 40 है.
Yeah.
वेट दोनों का सेम है.
हाँ.
जिसका 40 kg वेट या 40% बॉडी फैट है, then metabolism will be slower.
Oh.
Whose body fat is so somewhere what I'm trying to address your question is a lot of this is currently not known to people, which is why you go to professionals.
Right.
But the professionals also need to know this.
Right.
So technically weight loss or fat loss is not difficult, but it starts with eating less.
Because I consult a nutritionist and March में I started but my weight is stuck. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बढ़ रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है वो कम हो रहा है, तो and it is fluctuating between two points. तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या है. then अभी मैंने कहा थोड़ा सा मैं खुद देखती हूँ, चिल करना है अभी, because I was also getting bored of having similar food. वो change भी किया, everything we tried but nothing worked. तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि how to do this. एंड क्योंकि मैंने वर्कआउट्स ऑल्सो आई चेंज, ऐसा नहीं कि वर्कआउट्स भी सेम जा रहे हैं, सब सेम कर रहे हैं. सो वही कि आई नेवर फिगर्ड कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, बिकॉज डाइट लुक्ड लाइक कि ये ज़्यादा कैलोरीज नहीं है, वो इट फेल्ट काउंटेड कैलोरीज ओनली. एंड उसमें वो भी था मतलब ग्राम्स वगैरह, कितना ग्राम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
So I'll tell you a very remarkable study that was done in the US.
Yeah.
It's not a manifestation of you or anybody else,
Yeah.
but when people were asked how many calories do you consume in a day, and they gave a number, that number compared to the actual calories that they consumed was, so actual calories was 50% more than what they think they were eating.
Oh.
So till you measure or till you take pictures and somebody actually measures, you will not know.
अच्छा. Got it.
But basic philosophy बहुत simple है, eat less.
But eat less में there are people. If you like the clip, make sure you watch the full podcast right here, or for more clips, click here.